Hi there, David here, and welcome to another edition of Wild Goose Adventures. Well, land bad at the moment. You might remember that last time I was heading for surgery. The toe's gone, the operation was successful, but I am forced to rest up for a little while to let it recover. So what better thing to do than to have a look at the last little bit of Wild Goose Adventures and the highlights reel. Let's sheet on and have a look. Well, aren't there some beautiful images there? You know, it never lost on me how lucky I am to be able to go out and to film these places and just to be there and really witness the miracle of nature. So beautiful, and a good reminder to keep it clean. If you've liked something in particular and would like to see more of it, then please let me know in the comments below. It always means the world to me to hear back from you and to just be a part of what I'm doing. That's pretty much what I'm trying to do here, build a little community. If you also want to be part of that community, I've taken the step to link a Patreon account to here, so that if you'd like to donate or would like to have some rewards, then please click it and please follow the links to what I'm trying to do. If you've got any ideas of what you might like and you might like me to offer, please let me know in the comments below or in the comments there. And it's with a bit of trepidation I even start this, so I hope you appreciate where it's coming from and what I'm trying to achieve. One of the side benefits from this has been the opportunity to meet people and to do different things and to film things I probably wouldn't have normally. Check out this. Got my wingman here, Cooper. We're going to give this a go. He's talked me into it. I'm rather nervous about this whole thing, but he says, what do you say, Cooper?
Just do it.
Just do it. So if you'd like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, leave a comment. I'll leave you with one thing: check out the other videos that I've done. Until next time, smooth sailing.